The Amherst Board of Health has approved a COVID-19 vaccine mandate for students in public schools. Good evening. Thanks for joining us for Western Mass News at 10 on Fox 6. I'm Chris Pisano.
And I'm Jordan Jagalinzer. This is the first district in the state to require a COVID shot to go to school. Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane is live for us in studio with those details. Lindsay?
Chris and Jordan, the Board of Health added COVID-19 vaccines that have received a full FDA approval to the list of required shots to attend school. The superintendent of the Amherst Pelham Regional School District tells me this move already caught the eye of other school districts across the state.
We're talking about a relatively small number of individuals, both students and staff, who these policies would directly affect.
The town of Amherst becoming the first in Massachusetts to require a COVID-19 vaccine for eligible students in order to go to school. The mandate was already approved by the Board of Health in a previous meeting, but in a meeting Monday night, the board fixated on the exact wording of the mandate that is now set in stone.
I don't think there's any change of heart from any of the folks on the Board of Health. It's just more fine tuning and taking time before the school committee meets tomorrow night to make sure they have the exact language, the precise language they want to have moving forward.
That motion says the Board of Health adds vaccination against COVID-19 using vaccines that have received full FDA approval to the list of vaccination that are required, except for medical or religious exemptions, for students to attend public schools in Amherst. Superintendent of the Amherst Pelham Regional School District, Michael Morris, tells Western Mass News the district has an eligible student and staff vaccination rate of over 80%. The implementation timeline for students is expected to be set on Tuesday, as well as a vote for an additional school staff vaccine mandate. With the vaccination rate already high, Superintendent Morris says he doesn't expect to lose many employees over the potential mandate.
I think when you see, there's some evidence in other fields that there's a lot of talk of leaving positions, but it doesn't happen perhaps as much as the conversation does.
While Amherst may be the first school district in the state to mandate student shots, they may not be the last.
A number of districts did contact me, both school committee members from other districts as well as superintendents from other districts to inquire about this. There certainly was a lot of interest and excitement from folks who contacted me.
The school committee is meeting tomorrow in order to vote on the timeline as well as talk about a staff vaccine mandate. Live in studio, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.
Lindsay, thank you.